Hello everyone, hope you are all doing good and welcome back to my channel. Today we are not going to cook anything, but I'm going to share with you some tips on how I store my coriander leaves to keep them fresh for a longer time in the refrigerator. Coriander leaves is an integral part of Indian cooking. We love to add it to all the dishes. The curries are so flavorful with this ingredient. Mostly we use it as a garnish, but sometimes also we use it as a hero of the dish, like mint coriander chutney or Sindhi sale bhaji. We make sav mashalo. So for that we might use the entire bunch. But if you are using it as a garnish only, then we need to store it for quite some time. So I'll show you how I do it and hope this tip is going to help you also. Do give it a try and share the feedback with me. It stays quite good for about 8 to 10 days. By which time I'm sure it's all over. So let's get started. Here we have a bunch of fresh coriander leaves. We are going to store it in a kitchen roll. Open the roll this way. Take a small portion of coriander leaves, a small bunch, as much as you need every day. Place it this way and start rolling. Just enough for single use. Depending on the family, if you are using more quantity, larger family, then you can take a bigger bunch. Repeat the same and place it in the opposite direction. This is because the bunch, when we roll it, if you place the leaves in one position and the stems in one, it will become lumpy on one side. This way the roll will be even. Continue rolling small bunches like this. And do not use newspaper because it is not safe. Lead is very harmful. Though we are going to wash the coriander leaves before using, but still let us be safe. Now the rolling is done. Take a Ziploc bag. Put the roll in it. Remove all the air. Close the zip and roll it. This goes into the refrigerator. This way we can store it for a longer time. I will show you how it is. Like on day 4, after 4 days I have taken out the roll. I have used quite a bit of it. The paper has become moist, but coriander is still fresh. Isn't this an easy way to use little by little every day, single portions, roll them and life becomes much easier. Place it back in the refrigerator. Now this is after 1 week. Still remains fresh. Even the color has not changed. Only thing is, maybe 1 or 2 leaves are rotten or yellowish. You can discard them. After 5th day or 6th day, you start doing this. From the leftover bunches, you remove these. Discard the rotten leaves or yellow leaves so that the others remain fresh. This is very important. If you don't remove them, then they will last for maybe a couple of days only. This way, when you remove them, the fresh ones will stay good for at least 10 days. Back again, roll it and into the ziplock. Remove the air properly, roll it again and back into the refrigerator. After 9 days, I've used almost all of it, very little is remaining. You can see it's still not spoiled. Quite okay. This will be used up today. Again, you can discard everything. Any leaves you see, they are yellow or rotten. So friends, I hope this tip is useful. We have to find ways and means of saving our food for as long as possible to avoid wastage. Friends, if you are liking my videos, do subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon. Choose all options so that you don't miss out any notification. If you have not seen my video on how to freeze coriander leaves, do check it out. The link is shared in the description box. Because in monsoon we don't find coriander leaves easily and it doesn't last for long. So you can check out this video of how to freeze the coriander leaves. Thank you for watching. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out as well. You might like them too. Stay tuned for the next recipe. Bye.